Hello students. So in this video uh, we shall discuss about the binary number system and conversion of the decimal number system to binary number system and binary number system to decimal number system. As we know, the binary number system is having the base 2 or radix is 2 because in this binary number system the two digits 0 and 1 are used. Therefore the radix or the base of the binary number system is 2. The figures described under this system are known as binary numbers, which are the combination of the 0 and 1. For example, here you see the example is see here 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Let us take this one. uh, 1 1 1. Let me take. Okay, now this is the example 1 1 0 1 0 1 is a binary number. Now we shall see how the number system in any number system can be converted to the another number system. Here let us see the convert a decimal number system to a binary number system. So let us see this one. So for that one we are having this. The following are the steps. The following are the steps to convert a decimal number to the binary number. So the steps are, the first step is divide the given decimal number by 2. Second step, take the remainder and record it on the right side. Third step, repeat the step 1 and step 2 until the decimal number cannot be divided further. Fourth step, the first remainder will be the LSB, that is least significant bit, and the last remainder is the MSB, most significant bit. The equivalent binary number is then written from left to right, that is from MSB to LSB. Let us have an example. So example is convert 45 base 10 to equivalent binary number. Okay, let us see that how that should be. So here we have to convert 45 base 10 to the binary according to the steps. So here I am writing first 45. This is the decimal number which I have to convert into binary. So the first step is divide the given number by 2. So when I divide this one, I am getting 222. So here remainder is 1. I am writing right side. So this is called as the least significant bit. Now the dividing process will be continue. Again dividing 22 by 2, I am getting 11 exactly. Then remainder is 0. Again this 11 is divided by 2. So here 2 5s are 10. Again I am having remainder is 1. Again I am dividing this 5 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Again the remainder is 1. Again I am dividing this 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2. The remainder is 0. Now this 1 cannot be divided further, so this is called as MSB, most significant bit. Now we have to write the result from left to right, that is starting from MSB to LSB. So therefore the conversion of the 45, its equivalent, so this 45 is base 10, equivalent is, so this is 1 0 1 1 0 1 base 2. So this is how we are converting the decimal number 45 into the binary. Okay, now we shall see after this. Okay, so just to have glanced, or just to have seen how a decimal number can be converted into the binary. Okay, now 101101. Now let me take, now how to convert. Now here let me go for conversion of the binary number to a decimal number. So for that one also we have the steps. To convert a binary number to a decimal number, the following are the steps. First step is start at the rightmost bit, take that bit and multiply by 2 to the power of n, when n is the current position, beginning at 0 and increasing by 1 each time. This represents a power of 2. Third step, then add all the products. Fourth step, after addition the resultant is equal to the decimal value of the binary number. So here example is there. Let us see how the given example work out. Convert 101010 base 2 to equivalent decimal, and for this let us go through this one. Now for conversion, according to the first step, what is the first step? Here you see the first step. The first step is start at the rightmost bit, take the bit and multiply by 2 to the power of n. Okay, so here I am explaining in the simple ways. See here, first of all we have to count how many digits in the given number. So in the given number, in the binary number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there. Now you have to write, start from the leftmost. The first number is 1 is there. 1, you see here, 101010, the first one, write the first one, then multiply into 2 to the power of. So there are 6 digits are there. You make 1 less, so you are getting 5, so 2 to the power of 5. Then plus 0 into 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 0. So I am writing this one as 2 to the power of 0. Now the next step, so 1 into 2 to the power of 5 means you have to multiply 2 5 times. That is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32. That is 1 into this is 32 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 4 is 16. You have to write that step, plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3 is 8, plus 0 into 2 to the power of 2 is 4, plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 is 2, plus 0 into 2 to the power of 0 is 1, because we know any number to the power 0 is 1. Now in the third step, this is equal to 1 into 32 is, we are getting 32, plus 0 into any number is 0, plus 1 into, this is 8, 1 into 8 is 8, plus 0 into something is 0, plus 1 into 2 is 2, plus 0 into 1 is 0. So therefore the total is 32 plus 8, 40, plus 2 is 42. This is base 10. 42 base 10 is the answer for this binary number. The equivalent of this 101010 is 42. So here okay, this you know. Now I will remove this one. Now in this one, let us go through back. Let us go back. 45 we get 1011, whatever we get, let us try that one. Okay, or here itself again let us do the same thing. Whether we shall reverse, we shall convert the reverse one. Let me say this one. Okay, I am writing here. Okay, let us write here. We shall write 42 base 2. Okay, let me write this one. (42) base 10. What is the equivalent? Whether I am getting this or not, let me see. So as per the steps, this 42 is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, so remainder is 0. Again this 21 is divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 0, remainder is 1. Again 10 is divided by 2, 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0. This 5 is again divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1. This 2 is divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Now this one cannot be divided by 2, and this first, this is called as this first remainder is called as the LSB, and this one is called as the MSB. So now the binary equivalent of 42 is, the answer should be written from left to right, that is from MSB to LSB. Therefore its result is I will write 42 base 10 equal to, so this is 1 first, next 0 1 0 1 0 base 2. See, this is the answer which we are having for first time to convert it into the decimal number. So that's all. I hope you understand the concept, and let me stop here in this video. Thank you.